Hello everyone, our group is group 2, the topic is beauty. So now we want to present about the assignment 3. This is our team member. First me, my name is Ang Kaiji, my metric number is 2X6043 and my subtopic is about the makeup. Next is Sarah Africa, her metric number is 2X6197, her subtopic is jewelry. Next is Asiati. Her metric number is 2X6330. Her subtopic is about the perfumes. Next is Adon Amira. Her metric number is 2X6535. Her subtopic is skincare. Next is Chong Chen. Her metric number is 2X6043. Her subtopic is hair. In this assignment is based on assignment 1 and 2 and our topic. Extend the word by using all the following Java topic is array, passing array to methods, and methods. First is makeup. Princess is a new cosmetic shop. Should have a complete inventory management to manage all the product information. The inventory management system should be fast, effortless, and time-saving. It can bring convenience to the shopper. The solution is use a stock control system. The information can be kept in the system and will not be lost. Worker can check information of the product easily and the system can show the information clearly. Worker can update the quantity in the system manually when a product new arrives in good receipt note part and also can do the purchase return in purchase return part in the system. First, in my main coding, I input two arrays, one for lipstick color and another one is for toner colors. Then I have formatted here, login, process, and quick, and another is menu, which is used in process method. For process method, I have put array in the bracket because I need to pass these two arrays to the process method. First, login method, welcome will show on the screen and now we need to log in the account. We should enter our username and password. If password wrong, we should enter the information again. I use a for loop here so we can enter the information until password right. If password right, we shall login successfully. After that, we continue to the process method. Here have control equal to menu method because first we show the menu method first. The menu will show to us and we should choose item path first. Here has a return control. So the control we enter will return to the control in the process method. If control equal to 1, we continue show the item path. I also use if-else control structure here. When we enter the barcode, the corresponding item information will display to us. The color will show by array I have set already. After that, system will ask, do you want to search another item? If we choose yes, we can search another item because I have used a while loop here. We choose yes, a not equal to 2. It means false, so we can continue to search the information. When we choose no, a equal to 2, so the part will be break and continue to the next part. Then, menu method will display again. Now we need to choose 2 to the good receive note part. Here, we enter the information. After that, a report will be shown to us. Same with purchase return part. A menu will be displayed first, then we enter the information and a report for purchase return will show to us. After that, we should choose the current quantity for each item. I use a formula. The quantity before BQ will add quantity that we enter in the good receive note part and minus the quantity that we enter in purchase return part. Then, menu method will show to us and then we choose the number 1. After that, we check the current quantity for each item. After that, we continue to quit method. Do we want to quit the program will be displayed? I use a while loop here. When we enter the yes, C is number 1. So control 3 equal to 1. So thank you will be displayed to us. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sarah Afika binti Muhammad Yahya. My metric number is 286197. My subtopic is about jewelry. So the problem is gold is a human asset, but the price will always keep changing from time to time. And for someone to collect their own favorite design is kind of hard because the price will always keep increasing. And because of this pandemic, people also need to stay at home and always be precaution and not just easily go to the shop and buy the jewelry. So the best way is customer can buy it from website, and from there they can choose their own budget and how much gram they want from the filter. And if they buy from the website, when they buy more than 5 gram, the shop will not charge them with an extra wages cost, and they can get a reasonable price with their budget and take time to pick their own favorite design. Here is my method. This is all the variable that I use. I use a different method here. For example, I use a show message and or show order. And this is the system that I use for customer choose their budget and how much gram they want. For example, like this, they can put their own budget in gram, and if they buy less than 5 gram, I use uh if else for this part. Here I use the array. So the item is showed up when they choose their after they choose their gram, and here all of this calculation for the item, and I use a different method for order. For example, if they choose uh below than 5 gram, this is all the item that they choose and the total gold price. After that, here is all the extra charges list, and at the end they will get the total payment that they need to pay. After that, here is if they buy more than 5 gram, I use a array method, and the calculation almost same with before, almost same with if they buy less than 5 gram. So the method for show message will come out at the beginning of this coding like this. Please show your budget range. And the order, they can for the order method, they can choose number one if they want to proceed order, or number two if they want to cancel their order. If they choose number one, they can straightly fill in their own personal data like name, phone number, bank, email, address. After that, the system will come up with thank you for your order. For example, like this, after they choose to proceed order, they can fill in their data here and the thank you for your order. If they choose number two, the system will come up, you have cancelled your order, thank you for your visit. So there is no process payment for the item that they choose before. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Noor Aziati Adeline and my matrix number is 286330, and I will continue present my part, which is my subtopic is perfume. Perfume are widely used by people from all over the world from different age, genders, and also culture. Nevertheless, customers find it difficult to make a choice of perfume because they have to choose what category of perfume that they want to buy. So the Sugarbuy online shop system needs to set up the category of perfume, such as women, men in eau de toilette or eau de parfum category, Scarlet Edition category, and Fruity Series category, which is suitable for all people to choose. So here is my coding. I have declared the string array of the list of perfumes named as string woman EDP, string woman EDT, string men EDP, string men EDT, string parfum, string Scarlet Edition, and also string Fruity Series with the bracket besides. To display all the list of perfumes name from category that chosen by user, I have used for loop to iterate all elements in the array, and I also insert method in my coding. Let's see how the system works. The user need to enter their username and also their password. And the Sugar Bump online shop will be display all the categories when the user insert one, and from all the category the user have to choose one of them, which is, for example, is perfume, and then all the list perfume in perfume category will be displayed, and the system will ask how many perfume that user want, and then if the user want more than one, just put 2, and then choose the perfume name, and then put the quantity. The perfume will be add to cart, and then just add the price 49 ringgit, and the system will ask again if the user want to choose another perfume or not. If one, just put Y, and then choose again from the same category, and then the quantity is 1, and the perfume will be add to cart again, and the user need to enter the price 49 ringgit too, and then the system will ask again if the user doesn't want to choose another perfume, just put no, just put N for no, and then the total price will be calculated in the system. The system will ask how much the user want to pay for the perfume, and then the change of perfume will be calculated in the system, and automatically system will display you have made the payment for this perfume. Thank you and come again. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Anu Amira Afika. My metric number is 286-535. Today I'm going to share the problem in our group topic beauty, which is skincare. Skincare is a product used by teenagers starting from the age of 15. Skincare has many products and respective companies, including The Ordinary. The Ordinary is a company that sells various types of skincare. Lately, there are some problem shows when users of this brand have posted some comment for this brand to add a one-time usable product which has to combine several types of content in skincare at once. So the solution for this problem is the companies, which is The Ordinary itself, has to create a custom skincare, which means the companies can let the customer custom their own skincare. The customer can add a suitable ingredient for their skin into their custom serum. This way can easier the customer and the companies itself, and also reduce the price for customers and avoid losses for the company. So let's move into my coding for my assignment 3. Okay, this is my coding for my assignment. So firstly, I have declared the price, charge, the amount, the price, the final price, total, size, and price list for array and method. So first of all, the system will ask the customer to enter their name, email, phone number, address. After that, key in their details, the system will ask the customer if they would like to see the price list. If they say yes, so they will proceed to the price list. In other case, if they said no, they will return to the home page. So let's see how my codings work here. So firstly, the customer need to enter their name, their email, their phone number, and their address. Next, if the customer said no, they will return to the home page, and if they said yes, they will proceed to the order. So I will enter Y here. You can see that the system has automatically shown the price list because I have used method for the price list. So the customer have to choose between 30 or 60 ml bottle. What happened if I enter the wrong size of bottle? The system said that the size that I have choose is unavailable, so I need to enter the correct size, which is between 30 and 60. So I will choose 60 ml here. So I will enter my first ingredient for my 60 ml bottle serum. So my first ingredient will be arbutin. The quantity of arbutin is 3. For my second ingredient, I will choose beta. The amount of beta will be 2. Next, the system will ask me if I would like to add my third ingredient. If I enter N, which means no, I will proceed to the payment and the delivery. But if I enter Y, which is yes, so I will add my third ingredient. I will enter Y here to add my third ingredient, and my third ingredient will be AHA. So the quantity of AHA is 4. As you can see here, the total for my price is 500 ringgit. And I can't buy more than one serum. So I need to continue with my payment as I choose online transfer for my payment method. The system said that my order has been processed and they will send the receipt and tracking number via email. That's all from me, and thank you for watching.
My name is Chan Chen Yu and my matrix number is 28623. Today I'm going to present about my Programming 1 Assignment 3, which is the given topic Beauty Hair. The National Cancer Society Malaysia (NCSM) had organized a campaign to raise public awareness on the prevention, screening, and early detection of cancer through education and raising funds for the patients. Mini Saloon planned to organize an event to support this campaign. From the 3 possible alternatives, I suggest the second and third alternative as the best way to solve this problem, which are the first one to hold an event to give financial support to this campaign by collecting fees from the donor to raise funds for the patient. The next one is to hold an event to encourage the public to donate their hair to be made as a wig for the patient who lost their hair during the chemotherapy treatment. The program will start with the import of array and scanner. Then next we move to the introduction of the campaign and the event and welcome the public to take part in this event. Then there are a few methods to be used in this program. The first one is interest. In this method, the public will be asked, are they interested to join this event? If they are interested, they have to enter 1. If not, they have to enter 2. If they enter 1, we'll move to the next method, which is the input details. In this method, the public have to fill in their details for the registration purpose, such as name, IC, contact number, age, gender. If they enter 2, the system will print out thanks for your concern. Hope to see you again next time to end this program. So for example here, I enter 1. I want to join this program. And then I fill in all the details, name, IC, contact number, age, 22 years old, female, gender. Then the system will print out as a summary. And then moving to the next method is the fees. So in this method, the program will generate the fees, the total amounts of fees that needed to be paid by the participant. So I set the range. So for female, if the girl is less than or equals to 12 years old, which means is in the kids category, the fees is 5 ringgit. If it is out of this range, it is 10 ringgit. So the system will print out Miss or Mrs. and then followed by their name. If they are male, if they are less than 12 years old or equals to 12 years old, their fees is also 5 ringgit. They will print out hi followed by their name, or else their fees is 7 ringgit for adult, and then they will print out Mr. followed by their name. So in here, the above details I have entered 22 years old, female, so the fees is 10 ringgit. After that, the system will ask them to select the payment method, which is cash payment or online transfer payment. If they enter 1, which is the cash payment, then they have to move to the cashier counter to complete the payment, or else the receivable bank details will print out like this, as soon as this. After that, we move to the next method, which is the seat allocation. In here, it will be looping for 8 seats in the event. After all the seats are full, the participants are required to wait for a while until their turn. Moving to the next method, which is the calculation parts. In this part, the number of female, which represent A, male participant, which is B, and kids participant is C, will be entered in the beginning. Then, a few formula will be used in these methods to calculate the fees collected from the participant. For example, A1 is the total fees collected from the female participant, B1 is the fees collected from the male participant, while C1 is the fees collected from the kids participant. D is represent the total participant by adding A, B, and C, while D1 is the extra donation from mini saloon, which is 5 ringgit per person, while sum is the total of A1, B1, C1, and D1. Then the next, after the formula part, the system will print out the number of participants from female, male, and kids category, which is 37, 25, and 11. So in total, it's 73 participants. Then moving next, we will sort the fees collected and the category into 2 arrays. Then the system will print out the amount fees collected from each category. The female is 370 ringgit, male is 175 ringgit, while the kids is 55 ringgit. So the total is 75 ringgit, and each person mini saloon will donate 5 ringgit extra. So here the system will also calculate the extra donation, which is 365 ringgit. The system will add all the fees collected and the extra donation, then sum it up, it equals to 965 ringgit. After that, the organizer have to enter the amount of cash payment and online transfer payment received. So here, example, cash payment, I received 371 ringgit, while online transfer payment is 594 ringgit. So here is the summary from the amount I entered just now. Then last but not least, the system will also print out the largest amount of fees collected, which is from the female participant category, 370 ringgit, and the smallest amount is the kids participant, is 55 ringgit. That's the end of the program. Thank you.